This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry McGinn. Showings began at open house on January 24, 11 a.m. 1 p.m. This pristine 2-halves Lake Catherine home is move-in ready. The updated maple kitchen with double crown molding, granite counters, stone backsplash and stainless appliances is a joy to cook in and is open to the living and dining areas, making it perfect for entertaining. The wood flooring in the main space complements the beautiful kitchen tile. The smartly designed floor plan offers a suite-style guest bedroom, allowing the guest area to be closed off for added privacy. There is plenty of storage in the oversized closets. Enjoy outdoor living on the spacious screened patio with plenty of room for dining, cooking and relaxing. The outside storage shed is perfect for all your patio extras. This quiet, well-maintained community is conveniently located to I-95, shopping, schools and more. For more information, review the details below.